In the 22 years of hydroponic retail that I've engaged in, by far the best HID light that we have ever used is the double-ended technology that has come out in recent years. We used to feel that 2 pounds per 1,000 watts was kind of the holy grail of numbers that indoor production professionals were aiming at, and we've really shattered all of those records with our DE applications here in British Columbia. Nowadays, I have clients that come to me and say, why aren't I getting more than 3 per? It's just really amazing. These numbers have panned out to be the highest yield per watt, consistent numbers of high quality crop production that we've ever attained. So I can stand behind the DE products, be the PL lighting products like the Next LP or Gavita's 1000s and 750s. The double-ended light kits have done our industry a great service.